my channel. So today we will be doing a hair review for Eayon Hair. This will be a human hair headband wig. So here I'm just showing you the unboxing, and the items I received were 2 headbands, a wig cap, and of course the wig. This is a 16-inch human hair headband wig in a natural color, and it is a kinky, coily texture, as you can see here. So it does come with the headband built onto the wig with the Velcro cap, 3 combs up top, and 1 down bottom. So here is the texture. She is pretty thick and curly, and now I'm just going to try her on, and I'll be back with my thoughts. Okay, beauties, so I am back. I'm all finished styling and fluffing this wig, and I'm going to read you the exact specifications for the unit I have straight from the website. So this is from Eayon Hair. This is their new headband wig, 3C4A Kinky Curly Brazilian Virgin Human Hair Wig. I have mine in 16 inches and 150% density in a natural color, and so that cost is $147. The unit does start out on their site in 10 inches, and that is for $119. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. I actually am really feeling this unit. I love these coils, this curly texture that she has. This like really could be my natural hair if my natural hair would cooperate when I try to do a wash and go. That is exactly what this wig is giving. It looks so natural, so big, so fluffy. You know I'm here for the big hair, so I think this is really cute. Now, I did notice when I first took her out the pack, she was kind of stiff. The curls were kind of clumping together. So you saw I went in with my mousse from Aussie. What is it? Oh, it's just called Aussie. Okay. I went in with my mousse, and then I just kind of gave it some added moisture. You can use whatever products you like to use in your natural hair to do that. You can use some water in a spray bottle. You can use some oil. You can use some leave-in conditioner. You can use some serum, some hair milk, whatever you want to use to kind of give her just a little bit of moisture. I think that helped her out a lot, and now the hair feels a little softer and she's moving better. It's a very natural luster, so like I said, it looks very believable, and the density is 150, and she is big, honey. Like she is big, and I'm here for it. I think that she looks great. Let me go ahead and turn around so you can see her from the back. So this unit is super easy, super beginner friendly, perfect for the naturalista. Maybe you want to give your hair a break. Maybe your hair is currently in some twists or some braids, and you're just like, I need to run out real quick. You can throw this on and go. It's a great plop and go. So easy and beginner friendly. I did get minimal tangles and shedding from this unit. Not a whole lot, but I feel like that's normal for any curly unit that you get. You're going to get a little bit of tangles, a little bit of shedding, so it's nothing excessive. The unit is not coarse at all. It's actually very soft, but I did notice as I was kind of like fluffing her out, I got a few strands on me, so that was it. Now, I know I currently have my edges out, as I often do when I wear headband wigs, but you can still wear this wig if you have thinning edges or hair loss around your edges. You will just pull that headband up to the start of your hairline and it still looks good. I have seen it on numerous people who wear it that way. So you can still rock this trend even if you are not that confident about your edges or whatever you got going on, you can still wear a headband wig. Now they were kind enough to send over 2 headbands for us to try out with this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into those and a few other looks you can achieve with this wig. So that does bring us to the end of this video. Once again, I would like to give a special thank you to Eayon Hair for sending me this unit to review. This hair is so gorgeous and full and thick. I think it mimics my natural hair perfectly. So if you are interested in picking up this unit, then please be sure to check out that link below in the description box. Or any of the headbands you saw today, be sure to check out that description box below because you will find everything you need right there. And shout out to you for making it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video in full, for rocking with my channel and supporting me. I thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next one.